how to fix League of Legends. There was an unexpected error with the login session. So if you want to fix the League of Legends, there was an unexpected error with the login session problem, then just watch this video. This is a common problem that you can stop by just a simple steps. The most common cause of this error is a stuck login session from a previous attempt. The first thing we need to do is make sure everything related to League of Legends and the Riot client is completely closed. So what you need to do is first, if the Riot client window is still open, you need to press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard to completely close the client. Then right-click on your Start menu, then go to the Task Manager. You'll find it right here, click on it. Inside the Task Manager, simply search for Riot Client or League of Legends or anything related to League of Legends. If you find anything, just simply right-click on it and then click on End Task. Once you click on End Task, it will shut that task down. And now, once you've closed all the tasks, just simply try relaunching the League client and see if the issue is fixed. Now, if you're still getting the error, it might be a network issue. We can try changing your computer's DNS server to Google's public DNS, which is often faster and more reliable. So what you need to do is go to your Windows search bar and then search for View Network Connections. Then open the View Network Connections. Now just simply look for the Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whichever way you're using to access your internet. Then right-click on it and then click on the Properties section. Once you click on Properties, just simply double-click on the Internet Protocol version 4. And inside the Internet Protocol version 4 settings, just simply use the following DNS server, which is right here, addresses, and the DNS address fields, simply type in the top part as 8.8.8.8, and then on the bottom field, which is alternate DNS server, or the bottom part, you need to enter 8.8.4.4. After that, simply click on OK and close the window and try relaunching the game. Now, if the problem still isn't resolved, there's one last powerful fix we can try. This involves running a couple of commands to reset your network settings and clear out your old data. So what you have to do is just open up your Windows search bar and then type in CMD, then run the program as an administrator. Right-click on it, go with Run as Administrator. Now click on Yes, and all you have to do is just simply run a simple command, which is ipconfig //DNS. And now hit the enter. Now after the command is finished, type the second command, which is netsh winsock reset. And then again press enter. Now once both commands have been successfully executed, you must have to restart your computer. And this final step is crucial for the changes to take effect. So after your PC reboots, the login session error should be completely resolved. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.